Welcome back to Millie the Cockapoo. With Pancake Day coming up next week, today I'm going to be showing you a dog-friendly pancake recipe. So I'm going to be making two flavours of pancakes today. One banana and chocolate chip and the other banana and peanut butter. The ingredients you need are as follows: a teaspoon of coconut oil, soya milk depending on the consistency of your batter, some dog-friendly peanut butter, 2 bananas, 2 eggs, 20 grams of dog-friendly chocolate, and 50 grams of oats. In terms of equipment, you're going to need a blender, a frying pan, a spatula, and of course a plate. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is preheat a frying pan with a teaspoon of coconut oil. And then just let that melt. Now the next step is to take your blender and add in the 2 bananas, your 2 eggs, and 50 grams of oats. Try not to spill them everywhere like I am. And then you just want to blend it all together. And you want to keep going until everything's mixed in, so I need to blend it again. There's still a bit of egg there. If your mixture is really thick, then add in a dash of soya milk. And it should be quite a thick consistency when you've done. So now your coconut oil should have melted in the frying pan. You want to pour out your pancake mixture in your little circles. And like with normal pancakes, once they start bubbling, you want to flip them over. But we're going to make the chocolate ones now. So once it starts bubbling, we're going to add a couple of chocolate chips into each one and then flip them over. Again, these are dog-safe chocolate chips. Do not use normal chocolate as it is toxic to dogs. Now you're just going to do the same thing again. This time as it's bubbling, put a blob of peanut butter. Again, it's dog safe peanut butter. As you can tell, I'm not the best at flipping pancakes. Then I've still got some batter left, so I'm going to do some more. So as you can see from this mixture, I've made 9 dog-sized pancakes. And if you didn't add in the dog peanut butter or the dog chocolate chips, and you could have course eat them. So there are the chocolate chip ones, here the peanut butter ones. So obviously you wouldn't give your dog all of these, this would last them a couple of days. I'm just going to top them off with some more peanut butter. And then sprinkle over some chocolate chips. And then there are a stack spare as well that can be used in a couple of days. So now it's time for the true taste test. Do you like them, Millie? Really? And off she goes with it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope your pup enjoys those pancakes like Millie does. She's taking them off the plate from down here and taking them in a crate. I don't think she's a big fan of eating from the plate, or she thinks I'm going to take them off of her. If you do make the pancakes, please let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and then press the bell notification so you don't miss a video from us. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next week. Bye! Another one. Yeah, there we go. In her throat she goes. So nice. You enjoying that? Yeah, stop filming me, let me eat.